Qualifying in as team number 1, Rahul Yam, Syed Sufian and Sri Krishna, Rotary English Medium School, Moodbidri. You can choose whichever team position that you want.
Scripts, Tamil scripts. So I did a lot of
Observe
research
carefully.
on the Indian scripts in various languages. So I felt that Devanagari script is something which actually reflected our Indian culture. So that's how I used the Devanagari script and also tried to blend the Roman script because the symbol is not only going to be used by the Indian
Stop.
nationals but
Who is he and what did he create? Who is he? The person that is on screen. He was speaking about certain symbol. What invention of?
Organization for the Prevention of Chemical Weapons.
And the abbreviation is called? Yeah, you gave me the full expansion, so.
OPCW.
That is the right answer, 10 points. OPCW, Organization for the Prevention of Chemical Warfare, Chemical Weapons. So they won the Nobel Peace Prize recently. So that gets 10 points for team number 2. Look at the location. Stop, man. Stop. Yeah. Which location was it shot? You see a very characteristic
Hampi.
Hampi. Sure?
Yes.
Confident. Again, 10 points to team 7. It is Hampi. In the first frame, you could see there is one of the iconic places in Hampi, which is shown. Can you say what it is?
About the monument.
Yeah, about the monument.
Stone chariot.
Next slide, man. Next one. What's the difference between a hurricane and a cyclone? You hear a lot of cyclone names.
In a cyclone, the air moves outwards. In a
Okay.
hurricane, it moves inwards.
So cyclone is southward, hurricane is inwards. Named him after which legendary music director? He's named after a music director. Very famous music director. Trying to recollect team number 1. Team 3, team 4, team 5, team 6, team 7.
Sachin Dev Burman.
Absolutely right. 10 points to team 7. S.D. Burman or Sachin Dev Burman, after whom Sachin has been named. So 10 points to team number 7. Question direct to team 2. Next slide, ma'am. This is question to team 8. You see a Google Doodle on screen, which is actually a GIF. Which Indian author does it commemorate?
Shakuntala Devi.
And who is Shakuntala Devi?
Author.
Author of? And what is she known for? What is Shakuntala Devi known for? This is a recent comic superhero created by Stan Lee, legendary comic superhero creator. What's his name? Indian superhero created by Stan Lee. If you have been reading the newspapers, you should be able to answer this.
Midday. 1 year ago, I left my home for school and never returned. I was shot in the head by a Taliban bullet and was flown out of Pakistan unconscious. Some people say I will never return home, but I believe firmly in my heart that I will. To be torn from the country that you love is not something to wish on anyone.
Yusuf Malala.
Yusuf Malala. And who is she?
She fought against the Taliban terrorists and got shot in the head.
Awesome answering. 10 points to team 8. Again, closing it. Malala. It's Ahmedabad from Gujarat. Okay, next question. What is this? Don't shout out the answer. Someone, don't shout out, don't shout out, don't shout out. We'll ask one of the teachers.
Sambada. Buffalo rice.
Audience, next question. Don't shout out, don't shout out. Just raise your hands. Raise your hands. And I'm going to make it a little interesting. You don't have to say the answer. You have to do that.